Your body doesn't know the difference between a bear and a microphone. That's not a metaphor, that's neuroscience. And it explains everything about why even prepared people lose it in front of a crowd. When your brain detects social evaluation, being watched, judged, possibly rejected, it fires the same threat response as physical danger. Cortisol floods in, working memory shrinks, the voice you rehearse disappears. So the goal isn't to stop being nervous. The goal is to outpace it. Buy yourself 5 seconds of function, and the rest follows. Reframe the feeling before you open your mouth. It's proven that telling yourself, "I am excited," instead of trying to calm down, actually improves performance. Anxiety and excitement are the same physiological state. Same heart rate, same adrenaline. The only difference is the very scenario involved. So before you stand up, don't fight the nerves. Redirect them. Exhale first. It's faster than you think. Most breathing advice focuses on inhaling, which is a wrong direction. It's a slow, extended exhale that activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the one that drops your heart rate and cortisol. Breathe in for 4, out for 7. That's enough to lower your threat response before your first word. Start human, not perfect. I get it. Most people freeze chasing their first sentence. Say something real instead, like, "I honestly wasn't planning to speak, but here we are." That line does 3 things. It breaks your own internal pressure, relaxes the room, and it buys you 4 seconds to breathe. Now you're not performing. You're just being honest. Audiences can see you are natural and will go with your flow. Don't talk to the crowd, talk to one face. The brain cannot maintain intimacy at scale. When you try to address 60 people at once, you connect with none of them. So pick one person. Deliver one complete thought. Watch them respond. Then move. Now, it really becomes a conversation with witnesses. That's a gear you already know how to use. Pause after your strongest lines, not through them. Fast speech is exit behavior. It signals you want to escape, and audiences read it that way even if your words are good. Here's the counterintuitive part. Silence feels far longer to you than to anyone listening. Audiences need nearly a full second to process a strong statement. If you don't pause, they're still catching up while you're 3 sentences ahead. Slow down after what matters. Now let's play it out. You're at that housewarming. Your uncle calls you up to speak and everyone turns to look. You exhale, slowly, longer than you inhaled. You stand and say, "I genuinely didn't plan to speak today, but I'd regret not saying something." A few people smile. The tension breaks. You find one face. You say your first real sentence. You're not performing anymore. You're just talking to people who happen to be watching. The fear doesn't go away. You just stop letting it drive. Reframe your nerves as excitement. Start human. Speak to one face at a time. Exhale before your first word. Pause after the lines that matter. That's not confidence, that's architecture. And architecture holds even when your emotions don't.